In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a webinar funnel using LinkedIn and cold email. Now, before I show you how to build this, I want to show you why this strategy is something worth paying attention to. We use this approach to target people who are already engaging with content that's related to your offer, rather than using cold lists strictly based off of job title or industry, location. These people are already showing interest in what you have to offer. Here's one of our more recent campaigns. We emailed 14,000 people and we had 2,000 that were interested. If you are offering a webinar or an online training that is going to give them something they've been looking for, then it turns into one of those no-brainer offers. Now they join, they see the value that you provide, and they're in your funnel, and you can work on converting them into a paid client. Step number one is you got to go to LinkedIn and find a competitor / influencer that has a big following. In this scenario, we're helping a real estate coach find more real estate agents that are interested in coaching. Someone that our client suggested is Ryan Surrant. He's got 400,000 followers. And if you come down here and look at his posts, this is what's most important. He's got a ton of engagement on each of his posts, some over 1,000. And we want to get a list of all of these people that have liked it. All we need to do is copy his URL and then go to our PhantomBuster account, click Browse Phantoms, and then you'll want to click on the one called Extract Leads from Post. From here, we copied a profile URL, so we're going to select this one and then paste it. And you're going to want to make sure that you have the commenters and the likers checked so that you're getting the most people possible. Now, once you've given it some time, this is what it's going to look like. If you go to the report, you'll see how many posts it scraped, how many people it found. So we have 15,000 profiles now. Now I'm going to download this file. Once I've uploaded it into Clay, there's a couple of key enrichments that you're going to want to do to make this list useful. We have the AI agent go through, read the occupation, and determine if it's a real estate agent or not. If they are, then we enrich them further. We got the name of the company, we got the city and state that they live in, and we were able to get verified email addresses. And this is for 3,300 of them. In this list, I have 28,000 because I actually ran that scraper for multiple influencers that are real estate coaches to get that bigger list. Now that I have this list of 3,300 people that are showing interest in real estate coaching and they are real estate agents, it's time to email them. You need to use a cold email tool. We use our own tool that we made, getfurnace.io, and we made it super easy to use with webinar campaigns in mind. All we'll need to do is hit new campaign, and then we're going to come over here to build flow. Here's our lead bucket, so we need to import the leads. Then you'll hit import leads. Now it's time to set up our email sequence. The subject line, we always do keep it really simple, something like live training July 18th. Now for the actual copy in the email, it's really simple. What we recommend you say is, hi, first name. Just wanted to make sure you heard about my upcoming training on how to use AI with social media as a real estate agent. We will be going over how to implement for posting, follow-ups, and starting conversation. It will be July 18th at 10 a.m. Would you like the link to register? And then if they reply yes and show interest, we'll send them over the link. Most of my clients, they come to me and they've already been running these webinars and live trainings, and they've been doing the same three things. They're doing email blasts from their CRM, they're running ads on social media, and they're posting about it. These are all great things and you should not stop doing these. But if you want to be even more targeted in your approach and you want to choose who you're reaching out to, this is the method for you. If you have any questions on how to use PhantomBuster or Clay or Furnace, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to show you. That's all I've got for today.